We've looked at a ha and éiad construction to express a passive state. Ha mi éadmhìneachadh. I'm embarrassed. There's also a passive construction that uses ha and thee with a verbal noun. Ha sin dhéanamh. That's to be done. The dhéanamh here is actually a dhéanamh. It's doing. We can't hear the possessive a, it's, but we can hear the lenition. In ha opeth the dhéanamh, there's work to do. We hear no lenition because opeth is feminine, and we're saying her doing, even though we don't hear the a for her. Ha opeth the dhéanamh. There's work to be done. Or ha opeth the fain. There's work to be got. And the plural, ha oprichen rím fain. There are jobs to be got. Rím here is ri and there, fain. They're getting. Ha oprichen rím fain. Han rútan seo rím cúd gan frís. These things are to be put in the press. Ri an cúd. They're putting. Han rútan seo rím cúd gan frís.